You are welcome. And if you are part of those that started mining the Durov airdrop that started late last month, I tell you another new event has come again, which you need to do. And in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how to stake a particular NFT that is given to everyone. That means if you started the airdrop and it started as at the last time. So these were the notification that every one of us all got in their Telegram platform. They say something new has arrived. Gifts at the core of the carbs, and today they become more and more accessible. New daily reward. There are now new daily reward. New gifts are being added, and for someone, a special app cap may find its way to you. So also in this particular video, I will be sharing with you how you could be able to stake your gift that you are giving. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly click on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime we upload another new video. So let's go to the cap app. I've opened it down already. So if you haven't joined, you can also join. I'll be dropping my link in the description of this particular video. And if you have already started just click on the cap airdrop app on your Telegram, and it will bring you see an interface will come like this. So what you need to do is that the first thing you need to do, you will come down to this particular place. You could see I have received that particular gift, which is called buying car. So after you tap on it, if you tap on it, it will take you to a particular interface for you. So what you just need to do is to be on that particular interface for quite a particular number of time. So when you come back, it will bring you that you have been given this particular gift. So what you need to do now is to come down to this place. You have to click on this place. You tap on it. So now you could see you will be asked to stake. I'm giving to because I started since yesterday. It all started yesterday. So you tap on it. You see it says stake one item. So I'll tap on stake. You could see NFT stake one. Hen is zero. Hen. So this is how the new mining is. And you can see it is staked. If you want to unstake, you can actually unstake here. You could use here to unstake. If you want to stake, you can use here. You can check all here. So when you come back to the home page here, so I believe that this particular NFT or gifts can actually be claimed. I think everybody have is showing 6 days, 9 hours and 5 minutes. So it's something that everyone needs to do ASAP. So you could check, they say a partner gift is available in the profile. It is bunkers. That is what I just showed you how to claim it. So if I tap who is this, if I tap on it, you can see completed the task and receive a gift. The gift is temporary and is issued for only 7 days. So you just need to do this particular task and get the gift ASAP. So this what you need to do for in the DuroCaf particular. So if there's any other new development that will be coming up, I'll be also be sharing it in this my YouTube channel. So that's why you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell notification so that anytime we upload any other new video, you'll be the first to know. If this video was really helpful and you need any question to ask, please kindly drop it in the comment of the particular video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.